Like that ang face? Like that talaga yung face niya?
No, 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 no.
Yay! Marine Tower! Marine Tower! Dito kami punta sa Marine Tower. Ay, salamat. Ay, mataas na naman. Ayoko na. Yay! 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 Kita kaya? Yokohama Marine Tower. Ay, kuha. Ay, siso, dito kita picturean. Bakit? Picturean kita dito. Ayun o, Yokohama Marine Tower. My students, oh.
これがマリンタワー。
Yeah, we take photo there. Tayo pa ba?
Nonida?
Yeah. Tayo pa ba? Mabilis pa tayo sa automatic, ha? Mga bata, oh. You can drink there. Kita mga bata. Nakakapulgo. International yata, no? International school siguro yan. Kaya English. O, yan, umakin. Parang
World famous Yokohama Harbor. City of Yokohama from the seaside.
Hotel New Grand. Ang init! Nabibilad ang vlogger. Huh? Seabus Cruise Terminal. Ganda naman roses, oh.
Yeah, just a cruising inside, but for your guys, not interested, I think.
Oh, they sleep only there. Tutulog lang naman kayo dyan sa kalagitnaan ng dagat, eh. Antuking kasi tong mag-ina na to, eh. Masandal tulog kasi tong mag-ina. Diyos ko, bilad na bilad ng vlogger. Oh no! Iitim ang vlogger. Oh, init. Water.
Everybody.
Stop it. Ayaw magpa-video.
Yeah, like a hotel. This is all first class cabin.
So they have like bed inside.
Yeah, you can see. They have some samples. You can see. どこかな
At dami nilang kwarto, no?
これがファーストクラスチルドレンプレイングルーム。
Nice. Look at the table, no? Oh, the crib.
Hey,
May crib pa.
you can play here, no? Or there, no?
Wow, aircon here.
This is first class dining.
First
Wow.
class.
Their library.
A reading room. Grabe naman, first class.
First class.
Sa bagay, wala kasing cellphone dati, no? Kaya, reading room lang.
This is
Social?
the original. See?
I'm not sure.
Hindi na siguro.
Dancing, drinking, talking. Here,
Wow, grand piano.
yeah. Piano.
If only that was able to be played.
Yeah, maybe it's antique na din. Maybe this is still original. Ano, ito na.
Oh,
Touch it.
don't touch it.
Opo.
Opo. Don't touch it. Opo. Ikaw patuloy sinawin ng anak mo.
Kasi kapag antique na, di ba, pag ginawakan.
Baka bumagsak.
Seattle.
At least dito aircon.
Yokohama, Seattle, Vancouver, Honolulu, County, Yokohama, like that. You see Chaplin, right on this that time, no data. That's why walk, boo, boo.
Very nice na.
Use
Sis,
this one.
banig oh.
This is the
Yeah,
luggage.
yeah, same as Philippine now.
Luggage.
Sis, banig.
Natang pipi.
You send to islands, you use that one.
Souvenirs.
Smoking room. Yeah.
Is somebody there? First class, smoking room. May tao. Multo na yata yun eh.
Oh, comfortable.
Sis, picture. Picturean kita dyan. Ganda ng view dito, oh. Parang ako lang. Umahangin agad.
Ayaw, di ma.
Ay, smoking room.
Drinking, Yes. Smoking.
Galing naman. Pero ano na siya, lumang-luma na.
No exhaust.
Walang exhaust. Maybe that's the exhaust. Ayun, yung butas-butas lang ng kaunti. Oo. Kasi hindi naman uso dati yun eh, no?
You can see first class cabin.
First class.
Uli.
Yun na. Small lang, ano? Wait lang.
A very nice bed, no? They have their own sink in the middle of the bed.
Bed is American. American bed.
Back then.
Yung mga rooms nila. oh. Ganito,
Ito
kalilito.
connecting bed.
Oo. Parang lahat connecting room. Maliliit.
This one is bigger. This.
Check.
This one ね、スペシャルルームで、
Deluxe.
Deluxe pala
ジ
siya.
ャパニーズあれだって、エンペラーファミリー、トリップと US use this room.
Deluxe.
No need, no?
Malaki.
Special room.
Malaki na to para sa
They have their
kanila.
own toilet.
Maliit pa rin naman.
Baras and everything here.
Maliit pa rin
May
eh.
sarili siyang bathroom.
Naka-open dyan.
Tapos connected rin siya.
They have an oven,
May kainan sila.
Their own dining.
yeah, dining here.
Susyon.
This one is special.
こうやってあるのこれ。
May sariling kainan sila. Cabinet.
Pero ang liliit no, parang lawan. Ano kayo mga tao before? Kasing size natin.
Maliliit lang. Mga pino lang gumalaw. Eh tayo dyan, pag gumalaw tayo dyan, untong pa tayo kaliwa kanan.
Wala pa naman kayo.
Captain's office.
Captain, we go to the
Init. Real house. Yeah. Hingal ako. Oh no! Hingal agad. Oh, very hot dyan. Very hot dyan, anak. Ayoko dyan. Ayoko dun, sis. Meron palang bubong. Akala ko wala. Ang init. Nakakahingal yung init. Diyos ko, Lord. Sayang yung tabako na inipon dito ng 8 araw. Hingal! Hingal kabayo. Oh! May windmill, oh. Ayan. Hingal kabayo ako. Oh!
Rainbow Bridge going to Tokyo.
Rainbow Bridge pala yan. Rainbow Bridge.
Yokohama City. You see? City of Yokohama. Wow. Wow.
Like that ang face? Like that talaga yung face niya? Who's stronger, anak? Taka. Who's stronger? You or Lance? Taka. Mga buang kayong dalawa kayo. Nagpapalakasan sila ng muscles nila. Dito kami sa pinakababa.
Yes.
My.
Hindi, nagkaroon siya? Namantsahan? Namantsahan sila? No! Sis, ano mo yung pants mo, ha? Nakaputi ka pa naman. Chikawa Maru. Okay, if you're gonna stay, which area you like? If you're gonna stay in a ship like this, which area? Kitchen ka?
Good. Or 6.
No, that's third class smoking.
Okay lang. You know why? Because it's the closest to the exit.
Diyos ko, Lord, ang init! Sila nag-aalaga na. May mga taga-alaga pala. Kahit ang init-init naman na nila. Uy, wawa naman tong mga to. Saan sila? Wow! Ganda. You like? Oh. Ah, sino nagpapunch ng puwet ko dyan?